Hello, we're here again, and then we're looking at Luther just in his phone again, and Nadia again just looking, sorting. She's looking at a CD that my sister made when she went to either Texas, Illinois, somewhere.
Oh, she's
the wedding.
Pretty.
And this is Rebecca again talking to Benji, and then Benji's reading a newspaper. She's just
I'm gonna give you 5 seconds.
and then Rebecca's scratching her head. And then Nadia, she's just like digging through Rebecca's purse again. And then here's me. I'm just recording what is happening right now. And then here's everything right there. He's just so ooh. And then that's just the elevators. And then that's the TV. And then let's look deeper into where we are. You know, we're just looking up, and that, oh my gosh, the sky is so beautiful today. And look, the clouds. That is beautiful. And then birds in the air, flying. That is wonderful, perfect. And then that is a building, another section of the hospital where we are. And then that's the tree right there. And then oh my god, wow.